So this is my second morning here, and it rained lots last night, which is really cool. And look what I found. There's 3 avocados on the floor from our avocado tree. They are giant and they're so good. I finally get to, we already had some avocados. We have like 6 at home because they just fall off from this tree. There's some right on top over there. Yeah, which is nice they fall off because we don't have to climb to get them. There's quite a few of them. Like I said, we have like 6 of them in our fridge. And there's the other 2. They are so good and so huge. Look at it. I can't even grab it because I'm taping it right here. And there's one more right here. So beautiful. Like I said, they're huge avocados. Nothing like the ones you buy in Canada in store. These are giant. It's so creamy and yummy. So blessed. I have my mango and avocado tree and coconut trees. That's what I always wanted. And here I am, finally eating my avocados for the first time. Mangoes tree is right there. I already had my mangoes 5 years ago for the first time. And the mangoes are just coming because this is late mango tree. There's already some mangoes, but our tree is a different kind. It's one of the latest mangoes. So we usually get them May, June. There's some mangoes already in it, but they're not ready, so. But yeah. This is my avocados, which we eat every day with my husband. We eat half and half because one is just way too big. So we eat one in the morning with eggs, and then some for dinner or lunch. I should make some guacamole because we have too many. And I'll take these ones to my neighbor, give it to her. Because we have too many in our fridge still.